Alright, this time, our third to the last. From the team, still from Intercommercial Open C Division, we would like to call in from the team of Samir Group, Kodak. Defending champion, wow! Kanilang news, terrible. Panlaban din.
Oo.
Pwede. Kanilang news. Pwede.
Mas lalong pwede na, Mr. Paul. Okay. Once again, for the Intercommercial Open C Division Limited, ayan po, Alvaro Johnny.
Yes,
pwede, di ba?
Pwede naman natin lang news. This is the last and not but the least of Jollibee. Kung hindi pa nakapag-parehistro, mag-parehistro na kayo para makasama kayo sa giveaways na
Okay, yung po natin mga basketball fans.